In this tip, we're going to quickly cover gift certificates and how to set up the link on your website, as well as how to enter manual sales of gift certificates and how to apply them to invoices. Gift certificates are great for your business. It's a terrific upsell, as well as just a product to sell in general towards future services, especially during holidays, birthdays, so on and so forth. So we mention them to as many clients as we can through our businesses, just to make sure that we can capture those sales and future sales. And one of the stats too is that most people don't even redeem gift cards. So we strongly encourage customers to do that because we want them to keep coming back to use our services. So the more they can experience that, the better. But the reality is that some people just don't cash them in. So anyways, under your finances tab, go to gift cards. And from this page, you're going to see your custom link. This is for your business. So you can copy this link, put it on your website, link to it from your menu, make buttons, so on and so forth, promote it on your social media. And that way people can go to that page, which will look like this. It'll have your logo, and they'll be able to choose a different gift certificate amount. And then once they choose, let's say I chose $100 in this case, they enter the email for the receipt and the billing details. They put that in, click pay now, and then boom, the money's right into your bank. And once they do that, it's going to take them to a page that looks like this, where they can customize the gift certificate. So after they make the payment, they go straight from this page, which is the payment page. They go right to the customization page, and it also sends them an email with a link in case they navigate away from this page. They can always go back and customize it. They can choose the recipient name, they can choose the recipient's email, and they can even type in a special message. That will automatically update here in live real time for them to see it. So for example, if I put recipient name and I could put Jane Doe, you can see that now it updates the gift card to say Jane Doe. So same thing with the message, and then they can send the certificate, and that will email this to the recipient, and they'll be able to bring that in to use at your business. And that's where this code comes in. So we're going to copy this code because I'm going to show you what happens when a customer comes in. So we're going to go back to the CRM, and we're going to go to find an invoice and put that in to show you how it works. But before then, just wanted to show you that that's how customers purchase online, but they can also come into the store, for example, and give you cash, and that's where you can do a manual sale. So under finances, then gift cards, then click enter manual sale. And this is where you choose the amount, and then you select how they paid, let's say cash, enter their name, email address, and notes. At that point, it's going to email them a link where they can go and customize it and send it to the recipient, and it's going to add this payment into your payments tab, as well as into your statistics for your revenue. Then that gift card will show up here in the list. Now let's say you end up having to cancel a gift card and return them their money. That's where you can go here and check valid and turn that into not valid, just like that. And then that way that gift card no longer works. So we're going to leave that on valid for a second so we can actually use this. But this is where you're going to have information about the gift card. And if the customer doesn't receive the email or loses the email that has the customization link, simply go here, find their gift card by their name or their code. Hover over this and it's going to show you the link, so you can right click and you can copy link address and then send that to the customer as well. So now when a customer comes in, how do you add this to an invoice? Well, that's very simple. So we're going to go to finances and invoices, and you can do this when you're creating a new invoice or to existing invoices as well. Here we just opened up an invoice and we're going to scroll down. This is where you would put in all your items. So that's where we want to add the gift card. But what we do is we go down here to where it says gift certificates, and we simply enter the code. That's the one that we copied from before, and then we hit apply gift certificate. And now you can see it scrolled us up and it automatically added the gift certificate, and it minused it from the total already. So it filled in all the details, and we can't edit these details because this is part of the gift certificate. So it wants to make sure that the values that are supposed to be there are correctly entered. So that's essentially how you add a gift certificate. Now, if you have to remove a gift certificate, all you do is you just click on the trash can, and now that gift certificate is gone. And so we can always re-add it if we need to, or add a different one. You can add multiple gift certificates. So it's a really flexible system, and it's something you should definitely take advantage of through your business.